want to learn how to make real traditional Jamaican curry chicken, this is a step-by-step recipe for you. In this bowl, I have a 5-pound chicken, cut up and clean, just need to wash with lime and vinegar. This is the skin from the chicken, just need to wash with lime and vinegar. Also, I'm going to fry it to get the oil to cook the curry chicken. Now I'm going to season the chicken. 1 teaspoon garlic powder, teaspoon onion powder, half teaspoon ginger powder, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon pimentos, 1 tablespoon better pot curry powder. I'm going to burn one more in the oil. 2 tablespoons all-purpose seasoning. Now I'm going to add sweet peppers, chopped onions, chopped ginger, chopped scallions, 3 cloves chopped garlic. Now I'm going to cover it and allow it to marinate for 2 hours before I cook it. This is the skin from the chicken. Just going to season it with a pinch of salt. Now I'm going to fry them till they spring all the oil from them. Now remove the chicken skin from the oil. Now I'm going to season the oil. 1 tablespoon green seasoning, 1 tablespoon curry powder. So burn the curry 3 to 4 minutes. Add the chicken. Now I'm going to cover it up for 15 minutes. So it is already 15 minutes. Give it a stir. So this is the bowl I season the chicken in and put it to marinate. Now I'm going to wash it out with a cup of hot water to get all the seasoning from it. Wash out all the seasoning. Now add the water with the seasoning. Now add 1 pepper, add thyme. Now add carrots and potato. Now cover the pot for 15 more minutes. Okay, it's already 15 minutes again, so it'll cook for a total of 30 minutes now. Now I'm going to add scallion and onions. I already have enough sodium, so I don't need to add no more sodium. Now I'm going to cover it up for 5 more minutes, so a total of 35 minutes. Alright my people, this is it. Turn off the stove. So here you have it, real traditional Jamaican curry chicken.